Maybe we should go to another planet because Earth is kind of, strange.
Holy shit, what the fuck? Why you gotta cut me off like that? People are unbelievable. You see oncoming traffic, you just decide to turn anyway. Train of thought is, this is Pennsylvania Avenue, which is, the project that he's passing by.
Oh my god. That. Beep beep.
Yo, why are we stopping? Just fucking drive, bro.
Yeah, it's too late. It's too fucking late. Not that I'd be doing any better of a job, but you're fucking from New York.
No, New York drivers are the worst in America.
Against me, I was against the wall, so like nobody could see anything. She just starts taking off one pair, putting on another, and I was like, okay, this is happening. She was like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I just don't care. And I was like, I don't either. Just keep going. Like at this point, what the fuck was that?
It wasn't a deer, it wasn't a cat, it was something in between.
A bat?
Like a dog?
No.
But it
A rabbit?
Oh dear. Fuck out of here, animal! There we go. He had this car, but the SRT version.
The purple one.
Oh yeah, the 34 Dodge.
Purple car, yeah.
What the fuck? Why are you giving me a thumbs up? Fucking Napoleon Dynamite. Keep your thumb up your own ass, alright?
So you need thumbs up for like not hitting him, or like
Or the Christmas
car,
wreath,
or like
I don't
hot
know.
girlfriend? Like what's going on?
Watch him be one of my YouTube subscribers, and I'm gonna post this on YouTube, and he's gonna be like, I'm so offended, I unsubscribed. We don't care about feelings on this channel. Feelings
I
are
care.
for the weak.
It really upsets me because they're so cute, so trendy, so comfortable. Like I want to wear them, but I can't. But then it goes like the nightgowns and stuff. I can't wear those things because they don't fit right, and when they do,
Dude!
there's no support.
What the fuck?
You got that right? Can I report it to the authorities?
I don't know. You're supposed to stop. I mean, that was a grown-ass kid coming off the bus, but
Yeah,
like,
but still, their stop sign is there for a reason.
yeah, like imagine mother was talking to the neighbor across the road, and kid goes, "Mommy!" and runs across the road.
Yeah, like
This guy in front of us needs help.
why?
Car's so loud, but car's so slow. Right? There's only going
Yeah.
70 miles per hour.
When I see cars with those kind of tail lights, they're automatically douchebags. I don't care. That equates.
Let me look at this. Gets passed by just a dude. son of a fucking whore.
What?
He fucking slowed down so much that we missed the light, and this is a long ass light. Walmart boxes make the most sense. This guy left his gas cap open.
Dude. No, buddy. No. I wish I could hop. I should just fucking hop out and run across that, like bang on the car.
Or just. Okay then. All right, help yourself. I tried. She just looked at me and did the whole what the fuck thing.
I've always wondered how...
I roll up to someone and roll down my window. That
like,
means
yeah.
I need to talk to you. That's the universal sign for hey.
I heard somebody say a story once. She was like, oh, it's so funny. I left my gas cap open and some woman came and shut it, like walked up to me in the parking lot. Like I was going super slowly and she like came up and shut it. I'm like, okay, maybe you left like the door thingy open. But how do you pump gas, take it out, and completely forget to close that shit?
I mean, maybe
like,
somebody called you and you picked up the phone and you're like, oh, I went back to the car.
Still, like how do you forget?
Deer was like, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Now, go, go, go! How could God make such a fucking stupid animal? Explain. And why did I honk at it? Like as if it fucking understands. Whatever. Wow, that was ugly, dude. That was ugly, yeah.